Let's go over how to clean the thermal printer printhead. First, make sure to turn off the printer before cleaning the printhead. Next, open the printer lid by pressing both side panels using both hands. This is the printhead, located on the upper lid of the printer. Now take a thermal printer cleaning alcohol pen. Gently wipe the printhead back and forth with the alcohol pen. Be careful during cleaning, do not apply too much pressure or force. Make sure to remove all sticky residue and dust from the printhead. After cleaning, wait for 1 to 3 minutes to allow the alcohol to dry completely. Now your printer is ready to print smoothly again.